We'd like to show a few places where Sadhguru has spoken wrongly about Srimad Bhagavad-gita and Lord Krishna.
The problem is, everything that you have heard is only from Sanjaya, who was a king's servant. But there's no context.
The context is very clear. Arjuna was within the bodily concept of life, thinking himself to be the body.
My dear Krishna, seeing my friends and relatives present before me in such a fighting spirit, I feel the limbs of my body quivering and my mouth drying up. I do not see how any good can come from killing my own kinsmen in this battle.
And Krishna brought him out of this concept and brought him into his original position, which is to be a servant of the Lord and act according to his instructions.
Engage your mind always in thinking of me, offer obeisances and worship me. Being completely absorbed in me, surely you will come to me. My dear Krishna, O infallible one, my illusion is now gone. I have regained my memory by your mercy, and I am now firm and free from doubt, and I am prepared to act according to your instructions.
How can we put faith in a man who hasn't even read Bhagavad-gita himself?
I have to say, I have not even read the Gita.
To cure disease, we need to go see a doctor, not a shoemaker.